It is 6:30 a.m. Gonna swim in the infinity pool again. Just trying to use up the amenities before we check out. It's still cloudy.
It's still cloudy.
We are at the beach. Again, it's low tide right now, so you can see all the little rocks in the water. We are all freshened up, and then we're gonna go get some breakfast now. For breakfast, this is deep fried stir-fried fish. This is deep fried pork, crab fried rice, sticky rice. This is some kind of curry, pork bun. This is a chicken noodle soup.
Pork congee.
Pork congee. You might like this soup more than yesterday. Second round, I got waffle pancake. This is a coconut pancake. They were out yesterday, so I didn't get a chance to try it. And then my favorite, chocolate croissant.
Watching.
Taste test. It smells good as well.
Is there chocolate coconut? Chocolate pancake?
It's really good.
This is the
Because I didn't grow up.
yeah. What?
It's coconut flavored. It's really good. I think we're going to grab more. Third round, grab some more coconut pancake. This is raw honey. This is coconut yogurt. And then grab some raw honey for Josh as well. We're done with breakfast. We're gonna go pack because we have a flight to catch to Pattaya. Done getting ready. Time to pack and head to the airport. Yeah. So, what do we wear today? I don't know. I think I'm just gonna be comfy because we're going on the plane. Let's go. Stories. We are officially checked out. And we're waiting for our grab and we're gonna go to the airport. It's really nice here. This is our little grab driver. Thank you. Yep, 843. Fun. This is an outdoor airport. We have seats 1A and 1B. We got lucky. We are at gate 2 and we board right now, so we're a little behind.
ทางนี้ไม่อนุญาตให้ใช้หรือชาร์จ power bank ระหว่างอยู่บนเครื่องบิน
We landed in Pattaya. Now we have to go get our luggage and then go check into our hotel because we are exhausted. Yay! Okay, let's go. We're almost there. We have to go check in and then we'll do a little walkthrough tour. than this far back in the hotel.
Yeah. I didn't even know there was a pool back here.
Yeah, because the first time we were here, we were all the way in the front. So it's actually pretty nice back here. It's quiet. I think we're gonna go get our welcome drink at the bar and then order our little tom yum pizza that we came here for lunch, and then we'll get a grab and head over to Terminal 21, do a little shopping, drink some beer, and probably just go have some fun over there. Look at that. We just ran to the 7-Eleven nearby and we grabbed some alcoholic drinks, but we were 1 minute too late since they only do alcohol sales from 11 to 2.
And
then we didn't check out. We were in line, and then when we got to the front, it was 2 on the dot. Tragic.
Tragic.
We got our pizza. We're gonna eat on the bed. We're here for one purpose, and it's to get this pizza. This is their tom yum pizza. You guys have to try this at least once in your lifetime.
So good. Just as good as you remembered it?
Mm-hmm.
It's so good. The shrimp.
Our Grab driver is about 7 minutes away. We're going right in here. We're here. I love how every entrance is a gate number. Wow. Whoa. Dude, Thai malls are on another level.
Yeah, I'm saying. Like,
there's an entire Golden Gate Bridge in here.
oh, they got little cars.
They got little cars up there. Yep.
Race creative.
Yeah, this mall is super creative. This is great. We are at a pepper lunch. What are you gonna get?
Or this one?
I am just gonna do a pepper rice. Most likely just this one here. 195 baht. That's about $6. Not bad. The miso soup. Smells amazing. We stopped at another place. I really want this raw crab one. Everything looks so good and spicy. We got crab roe papaya. So basically you just eat the roe with sticky rice. Taste test for liquid's pretty good. Sticky rice. Wow. We just finished the raw crab roe papaya. So good, but super messy. So now we gotta go wash our hands. But we're gonna go down to Tokyo to wash our hands because the bathroom it's great, and I'm gonna show you guys. Look at that. Little water buckets. Look at this. So freaking cool. The little monkeys. This is like 1000% onsen theme. So cute. Josh, you are not allowed to sit in there. What the hell are you doing? Okay, let's go. What the heck?
What would you do there? Checking the London items?
Do we want to?
Yeah. It would be cool if it's like Harry Potter themed.
Oh, I would
Or
die.
like platform 9-3-4.
Oh my gosh, Josh was right.
It's
Platform 21 and 3/4.
Stand up top.
What the hell? Oh my goodness. Go stand over there. Have you seen this wizard? This is so cool. I love it. We are exiting the mall, leaving the terminal, and we're gonna go to another mall. But this is what it looks like to leave. You exit through your gate, but our Grab driver is not here yet. This is so freaking clever. This is a sitting area, and we are currently sitting on the baggage claim belt. And then right here is like all the unclaimed baggage. We are in our Grab, headed to Central. It's currently 8:14 right now. It's time for an ice cold beer. We made it to Central. We're trying to go hang out down here. It's not quite busy yet. We are trying my beer. This is also by Singha, but apparently it's like their light version of Singha, so it's just called my beer. We're trying it for the first time. We got rained on. Everyone is like hiding over at the mall, but the mall closes in like 3 minutes. We decided to request for a Grab to go home since it's pretty, as you can see, pretty dead here. Sleepy time. We're still here. No one wanted to accept our ride, so we decided to just grab another drink.
Grab another beer.
They did dry up the tables for us, which is really nice, but we decided to grab a picture of Leo.
I just landed.
Someone is asking you to slam this. It's 11:02. We finally got a driver. He is 8 minutes away. We're just gonna chill here until our Grab driver arrives.